Here is rather brutal truth about me. I forget birthdays entirely. I know they are recurring events, I know even, but that doesn't seem to help. Anton spent years gently remind me about my own mom's birthday. I mean, I knew the month. I had that down. And around that time, I would start panicking, hoping that I will remember it somehow and it's not too late. And for the Anton's birthday, let's just say, good heavens, that digital calendars exist. But even with them, I could manage to forget birthdays for a day or two. If there's someone out there, someone like me, please reveal yourself. It will be such a relief to know that I'm not alone in this. So of course I forgot about my lovely neighbors' birthdays. They were too kind not to mention it. But my anxious brain went into detective mode and I tried to remember where the days had been and, oh well. To redeem myself, I decided to make them a cheese board. Well, not to make it, but to carve on it. Handmade, thoughtful, and hopefully distracting enough to make up for my lapse. I did a quick research and found out that olive wood is perfect for my cheese board project. Not just because of its beauty and durability, but also because it's with a significant cultural weight in Italy. And my friends happen to be Italians. Tutti contenti. So I ordered one. Look at this beauty. With such a striking wood grain, it's rather hard to settle on design because I don't want to natural pattern and my carving to compete. It might be a bit cheesy. This is a good one. Olive branch seems rather fitting. It's kind of obvious, but at the same time, perfecto. Oh no, I should stop. I want to leave one side of the board flat for cutting and maybe serving something big, but rather than covering the other side completely, that way, when they're using it, they can show off both food and the olive branch. Right then, it's time for carving. So for now I use this bit to make the lines, well, to make it deep and straight. But also I'm thinking about that I really like this kind of grooves, so maybe I will sand it a little bit and then just go again with bulby bit and finish it like that. Don't worry, it's still me, without makeup. It's me, Alena, yeah. So I think I finished sanding, and well, you never can finish sanding really. You can sand. It takes too much time. So I sanded with 120, 150, and finish with 180. This is the highest that I've got. I think any higher, like 200 something. So now I'm cleaning it a bit because it's kind of fine wood dust. And also we can see the color when I put the finish on. And I'm going to put first Super Duper Everlasting Oil because it's very, liquidy. If Odie's oil is more like honey, Super Duper Everlasting penetrates, and since it's, will be washed probably quite often. Well, not often, but kitchen utensils and all that. And then I will put wax on it, as you remember. Put it on, buff it off, then you wait, then put the wax on and buff it off the same way. And I think, to be honest, I think it will look lovely. To be honest, I'm rather impressed. It's amazing what a late night research, a fondness for natural design, and a little bit of carving can do. Sure, it's a humble olive branch, and yes, I was scared to go with more details or relief, just because the grain is so beautiful but also daisy. And what? It's just my third carving, isn't it? Funny enough, internet insists that olive wood is hard to carve, but I found it friendlier than pine. Last time when I carved oak leaves onto pine, and when I'm saying it right now out loud, it sounds kind of odd. Botanical identity crisis. The pine that I had was quite misbehaving. Dremel would smoosh the fibers, or dents would appear out of nowhere. Fast-growing, modern stuff doesn't have a backbone. Or maybe I don't. Still deciding. Anyway, I'm so chuffed I got to work on something as lovely and well-behaved as olive wood. Now what's left is just wrap it up and pass it on. I hope they will like it. They have a lot going on right now in their lives, and I wanted to treat them with something un po' speciale. Cheers! Good heavens, people! Night light, night light, night light, 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 night. Looking good for now, looking good for now. Da 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 da.